Okay, me and Camden's down in the basement here. Our Jon Boat just came in. We've been searching for over a month for a Jon Boat, a plastic one. Pelican or Sun Dolphin, either one. Finally found one on Amazon. I was waiting for the price to come back down, and then the price started going back up. So then I watched it again, prices came back down, jumped on it and got it. So it came in this morning, Sunday morning, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Weird, I know. But right here it is. There's Cam Man getting ready to tear into it. It's a 12-foot Pelican, weighs 125 pounds. Really light. We got a trolling motor coming in tomorrow.
Okay, open it.
What?
We gotta open this. It's a ring on it, and it's ready to go.
Okay, here we go, Cam Man. So evidently these Pelicans come with a seat. I didn't know that. Okay, here's the first look after the unpackaging.
Unpackage. Unpackage. Unpackage.
Get in there, Cam Man. Get in the front and see how it feels. Get in the front and sit.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
It feels great.
Feels great? Good. So we've got a instruction manual there. And as you seen earlier, we got the seat here. And then we got this apparatus. So what I'm thinking is, that sits in there. The bottom of this seat, you mount it on top of it right there. Because it's got the bolts attached to it. Now, that'd be all right, but your seat's gonna be in the middle of the boat. And I'm actually gonna mount the trolling motor right there on the back of the boat. So, there's no way I could reach from the middle to the trolling motor that I'm mounting on the back. So we're gonna have to get creative on this one, aren't we, Cam Man?
Yeah.
So let's see here. So this, I wonder if it will sit. No, it don't touch. I don't know. I don't know about that. Just stay tuned. We're still working. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Hey, Cam Man. Look here. So we got our brackets on our seat. Got our wrenches to tighten them down. Okay, we got it together.
We got it together.
We're gonna try it out.
Yeah, I want to sit over.
You try it out first.
Okay.
Tell me how it feels.
Okay. It feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Good. Let's get your fishing pole. Feel how your fishing pole feels.
Okay. Where's my fishing pole?
Right there. How's it feel?
It feels great.
Feels great? Whoa, whoa.
Let's check out yours.
Okay, hey, put it in the rod holder.
What?
Right here. The rod holder.
What?
Right here. Look, right here.
This one?
Right here. Look.
That
Look at that.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, let's see here.
Yours is pretty big.
Oh yeah. There you spin around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can spin around.
I could probably put me an extension on that handle of the trolling motor.
Where's my book?
Well, I ain't got your pole ready. Look here, Kim, in. Ah, I could fish right here, couldn't I?
Yeah. Well, I can go back here. Dad. I
What?
want to sit there.
You sit right here.
Yeah.
Okay. How's it feel?
Good.
Good? Ready for the creek or the pond?
Yeah.
And two.
Okay. Let's go down there. Boom! Boom!
Yeah. So another key feature, these Pelicans, they got this rod holder. Look at that. That's pretty nice. It's got 4 of them, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. It does have a spot for the trolling motor up front, and you can put like a 4 to 6 horsepower gas engine on the back. It's got the mount for that, but that's where I'm gonna put the trolling motor. I don't think we're gonna go with a gas engine, or we can, man?
Yeah.
You want a gas engine on here?
Look, it got a button.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It's for a weight.
Yep, that's right. It's got 2 handles in the back. It's got a big handle in the front. It's got these holders for a canopy for some shade. I'm not real sure about the seat yet, guys. I'm not real sure about the seat. It's nice. It's easy on the back when you get my age. But I just don't like the location. Let's try it right here, Kim, man.
Yeah.
Try to sit on it right there and see what happens.
Okay.
Too wiggly? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too wiggly.
Too what?
Too wiggly.
Yep. That's what these grooves are made for.
Yeah.
I wonder if a man can set this on the front. What's that? Whoop, whoop.
She
Nope.
on the front.
That don't make any sense. Oh well. It's made for the middle.
Made for the middle.
Made for the middle. I like the ride. I like everything about it. I didn't know it came with the seat, so the seat's kind of irrelevant. Okay, man, you got corona.
No,
Why are you coughing?
because I coughing.
Allergies?
No.
Oh. So no, overall I like it.
I turn it around, Dad.
Stay tuned.
I turn it around.
We'll have her on the pond. Okay. The Jon Boat adventures continue.
Yes.
We got several packages in today. Several. So Camden's working hard on this one.
Okay, now I'm
Cut it with your knife, buddy.
Oh, yeah, got the tape
There
off.
you go. There you go.
What's that?
That's Mother Solix for the Mega Live imaging. Okay, here we have the trolling motor for the Jon Boat.
This is a
55 thrust right here. 55 thrust for a 12-foot Pelican Jon Boat.
Whoa.
It's gonna push it fast. And it came in. How fast we gonna go?
fast.
How fast?
Yeah. I can tell them. I tell them.
That's fast. How fast, Chloe, we gonna go?
100.
100. You look sleepy. Did ballet today? Tap? Wow. Okay, guys, we're gonna get this carried down to the boat garage, and we got some more stuff coming in
Yeah.
tomorrow and Friday, and we'll update you. Stay tuned. So, Jon Boat update. Jon Boat update. So, trailers for Jon Boat, over $1,000. So, me and Cam Man came across a deal on Facebook. We bought a trailer and it had a jet ski with it. It's a jet ski with a trailer. $250. $250. So we got a trailer and a jet ski. Granted, jet ski don't run, but it will when my dad gets done with it. It just won't start up. So the plan is we're gonna put the jet ski in the pond at the house. Stay tuned for that for this summer. It'd be fun. Want it, Cam Man? Cam Man, what do you think? You gonna ride that in the pond? Yeah. So there's our Jon Boat trailer. Hooked up to the side by side. So we're gonna head back home. We dropped it off at Dad's. Jon Boat on the trailer. Ain't a bad fit. Ain't a bad fit at all. We had to move the harness from that location up. Gave us about 2 feet. It's perfect. Hangs off that far. Be great. We got the battery compartment holder in. It's got the USBs. It's got cigarette lighter. Okay, trolling motor's on. Not bad at all. Got the prop on. Just one little click of this, and you move it up or down. Right there. It goes way up too. So those are really tight. You don't want to lose that thing. Okay, guys. Smelt the battery. We're wrapping this one up. So there's the completed project, guys. Completed project. Pulling it with the side by side today. So let's get this thing launched.
I got it all. I got it.
Got it?
Making a YouTube video?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, how much views do we got on the TikTok video? I've been looking on.
We're gonna catch some right here. We got almost 800 views.
Hey, Taco catch some fish.
Let's catch some fish.
Tucker,
Tucker and Easton. I want to see Tucker.
I was here too.
Nice. Oh, Camden, we got a bite, buddy. Shoot. Here you go. Here you go. Reel that, buddy. Reel it. There you go. Woo! Get it. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Get it.
Man.
Yeah. Look at the camera. Show the camera. Say first fish in the Jon Boat.
You almost landed on the right.
Jerk, 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 reel, jerk, reel, jerk, reel. Go, you got it. Woo.
Got it.
Yeah, you got it.
It's a big one.
It's a big one? Okay, lift that sucker up in there. Lift it in the boat. Lord day. Come on, lift it in the boat right here. Woo, look at that, buddy. What do you think about that one? That's a big one, Kim.
Yeah.
Wow.
I catch a big one.
Yeah, that is a good.
I catch it all the way up there.
Got it. No, I missed it. What?
You have to give it second to get it in the mouth. The way to get it in
Goodness.
What? Catch one? We probably caught the same.
It fit. Yeah, feels like a whale.
Daddy, can I throw that in the water?
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Big one.
You catch my big one, Dad.
Huh?
You catch my big one.
Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Why did you catch my big one?
But you're tore up, ain't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. It got it. It got it. Oh no. It's gonna be
Four, Tuck.
That's pretty right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 5 now.
Hang on, Camden. I'll get you unhung. Hang on. I'll get it, buddy.
I did it.